Alright, so in this video we'll be discussing level computer science test data. So in order to determine whether a solution is working as it should, it needs to be tested. Usually before a whole system is tested, each subsystem is tested separately. Algorithms can be tested by a person working through them using any data that is required and seeing what the result is. So test data is used to check if whether the algorithm, whether the numbers inputted are fit in the range. So let's say there's an algorithm that has a range of 1 to 50. So there's 4 different types of test data. Number 1 you have is normal data. Normal data. So from the range of 1 to 50, normal data would be anywhere between the range. So 37, 21, 48. Number 2 is erroneous or abnormal. I'll just write in erroneous here. Erroneous. Erroneous test data. Erroneous data is basically anything that the algorithm would reject. So numbers like 61 or minus 20 or 110. These are outside of the range of 1 to 50, which is why they're going to be rejected by the algorithm. Then we have extreme data. Extreme data. So when testing algorithms, there's only a certain range. So in this algorithm, 1 to 50 is the range. So the extreme data for this algorithm would be 1 and 50, because those are the largest and smallest values in the entire algorithm, which is why these values would be accepted if they were to be inputted into the like to check the algorithm. Number 4, which is the final one, is boundary data, boundary test data. So boundary data. Alright, so boundary data is used to establish where the largest and smallest values occur. For example, for percentage marks, let's say from the range 1 to 100, the algorithm should be tested with the following boundary data. At each boundary, 2 levels are required, 1 value is accepted, and the other value is rejected. So let's say the boundary data for the value of 0 is minus 1 and 0. So in this case, minus 1 would be rejected and 0 would be accepted. It's basically used to check where the largest and smallest values to occur. If in this case we use 1 and 50, let's say if we were checking 1 would be accepted while 0 would not be accepted. Hope this video helps. Goodbye.